he was with Lynx, and then he was like, "Oh, like pull your out," and then I was like, "What the?" I was on it, and then I was just like, "This is crazy." And then I found out that I found them in the bed with Lynx, and I didn't even know that they were talking like that. And so, but the thing is, we had a date planned after the show. I was supposed to fly to where he lives and like go see him, and I went. I paid for everything. Then maybe like 5 minutes after, and it was
Wow.
just like this whole switch up like after everything ended. It was just like horrible. Yeah, broke my heart.
Woo!
Broke my heart.
Dude, can I guess who it
But it's all
was?
good though. Yeah, sure.
Shotty?
Maybe it's like not. Yeah, yeah, it was. But that's the whole truth. Like I don't know whatever, and then I'm hearing whatever. Da da da.
We all live and we learn. We all, have our different experiences. So I just want to take it to heart. But your person is your person, and he just wasn't the one. But there's,